Brock, what's going on here?
It's wonderful snow over there. It's wonderful cold snow.
Yeah?
So we believe global warming is not occurring, and that we need to warm the atmosphere with some fireworks tonight. It's January 12th. It's cold.
Do we have school tomorrow? Yeah, we have school tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's midnight yet.
No.
It's okay.
So what are we doing right now, though?
Tony's gonna light that off. Brock's gonna giggle. Probably lots of giggling.
All right. There we go.
How'd it go?
Oh well. Won't be eating any more organic around here.
I don't think this is a quart.
No thing?
How
much is a quart?
The quart is half gallon.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is so good.
Chug, chug, chug,
Oh,
chug,
God.
chug. Yeah, that's yeah. It's like mud water, essentially.
I'm not exactly sure why your dad likes it. Yeah!
That's crazy. Did you see that? That was crazy.